this is completely different from the fires, and yet preparation is trying to anticipate what you really don't expect. And we have been trying to train across the state for unexpected eventualities, things that we would never expect to happen. I'm not sure anyone laid out a scenario where Boulder County, in every single canyon from Coal Creek right up to St. Vrain, got close to 8 inches of rain in a 24-hour period. And I think if you look in each of the counties, I think the response has been rapid. This is and we'll see what the data tells us, but this could easily be a 50 or 100-year flood.